Paying your American Express credit card bill is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the Amex mobile app. Log in using your username and password. Navigate to Payments. Once logged in, go to the Payments section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or under the Statements and Payments tab. Choose Payment Amount. You will see options to pay your statement balance, minimum due, or another specified amount. Select the amount you wish to pay. Select Payment Method. Choose the bank from which you want to make the payment. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one. Enter your bank account and routing numbers as needed. Schedule payment. Decide whether you want to make the payment immediately or schedule it for a future date. Confirm the date for the payment. Confirm payment. Review all payment details, including the amount and the bank account. Confirm the payment to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message or email. Additional payment methods. Direct debit. Set up automatic payments to ensure your bill is paid on time each month. This can be arranged through the Payments section. Phone payments. Call the number on the back of your card and follow the prompts to make a payment over the phone. Mail payments. Send a check or money order along with the payment coupon from your statement to the address provided on your bill.